In this video, I will show you how to manage assets in Heygen. Start by going to Heygen AI's official website and sign into your account. On the left-hand panel, click Avatars. This is where you'll find all your available avatars, both your custom uploads and your saved public avatars. Next, go back to the left menu and click Templates. Here, you'll see a wide selection of ready-made layouts you can use for different types of videos. Templates are great if you want a quick starting point or need consistent formatting across multiple projects. After that, click Brand Kit. Inside this section, you'll see two tabs, Brand Kit and Brand Glossary. This is where you can manage your brand colors, fonts, logos, and AI-generated brand terminology to keep all your videos consistent with your brand identity. Then, head back to the panel and click Media. In this section, you can view all your uploaded assets, including images, clips, audio files, and even generated materials from past projects. This is the best place to organize, reuse, and maintain everything you've added to your workspace. Keeping your assets organized ensures faster workflows, cleaner projects, and fewer repeated uploads. And that's how to manage assets in Heygen.